you from your fan base, aka the Dominators, Z Dominators, also known as Zets, also known as Dogs. I like that name. They don't like it.
I like it. I love my dogs.
Okay, so we have presents here. As you can see, it's happy birthday, ZinhleZee. And guess what? The letters just happened to be 27. Wow. Happy birthday, ZinhleZee is 27 letters, and Z 1027. So, guys, this is from God Himself, ordained, preordained, you know. So Z, I'm gonna call you to choose any present that you wanna open. You're gonna end up opening all of them, but for now, I don't want you to touch the round boxes and the one at the bottom, the Y. The Y from birthday and Zinhle. So you don't touch Zinhle, you don't touch the Y for birthday, but the rest you can open now. Which one? I need an assistant. So someone's gonna come, give to Zinhle, choose the letter, and then someone will come and give the present. You don't have to.
She looks like her though, yeah?
P for the first P for birthday. So you check what's inside. If there's a card, you read it. You tell us it's from who, and then you guys.
My handwriting. Somebody.
And you said you have a good handwriting.
Z from.
Yeah, my handwriting way.
Can I read for
Yiska. Oh, wait, not the bad.
Read for herself.
Yiska.
Yeah.
Okay, period. You can give me the D. Hi, Ganjalo, guys. Hi, Ganjalo. No, Ganti. No, guys. Like the letter D.
For dominated. Yes.
And you see the box. The boxes are written "Happy Birthday, Zinhle." All of them.
Nice. Love the detailing, guys. This unbox my gift. I love the black. It's giving black.
Black is beautiful.
It's giving black. Let me make life easier for you as you get through those wrinkled clothes. I mean,
That's what I'm saying. Let me write.
Oh, period.
And it was on my wish list.
It was, yes.
Wow.
My other wish list.
Oh, no, two. The Hannah two.
M from Mofokeng.
ASMR.
Hope you get more than this card. You deserve it. Dear Bani. This is not Z.
It's not Nana.
Oh, dear Nana. Oh, I thought it said Nandi. I'm like, hey, wrong gift. I pray that this year brings you love, happiness, and lots of blessings. You have made us so proud. May God continue to favor you. From your mommy. Kimang my mommy.
Yeah, we don't know your mom. We don't know her. So this, you see, it says, "Hope you get more than this card. You deserve it."
Yeah.
It goes with that box sitting there.
Okay.
The card.
Let me go open it.
Nobody. It's just. No, you can open it. Oh. ungaphuzi kakhulu mntanami.
R.
R. Okay.